In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an agent in Dialogflow. So the first thing you want to do here, you want to go to dialogflow.cloud.google.com, and then you want to click on Create Agent top left after, of course, you have logged into your account. So click on Create Agent, and then here you first have to give it an agent name. So there's an error. I'm going to ignore that. There we go. I'm going to name this tutorial over here, and then you have to give it a default language. You can choose a default time zone, and then also you can either create a new Google project, or you can just basically import an existing project. So I'm just going to select one of the projects I have over here, for example this one, and then here you have to select if you want the agent type to be a mega agent. You can do that if you want to. I'm not going to. And then just click on the create button up top, and when you do that, it's going to start basically working. It's going to say working, and this could take like 10 to 15 seconds, and whenever that's done, you will get the access to your agent, and then you'll be able to go ahead and start building it. There we go. So it's refreshed already, and in here, as you can see in which agent you currently are working, and then you can go ahead and set different intents, entities, knowledge, fulfillment, integration. So you can do whatever you want in here, and of course, depending on what agent you actually want to build, it's going to differ what you will do in here and what things you will add, what things you will change, etc. But that is basically how to create an agent. So that's just the basic steps. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.